And you did mention that these borrowers or prospective borrowers come to you with an appraisal in their hands. Why
Yes.
would they spend their own money and get an appraisal done? Did I hear you incorrectly? Because the way I see it, if you're buying, it's a different story because you haven't bought it. So how can you appraise? But if you're an existing owner and
Mhm.
you want to refinance, would 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 a savvy, smart owner actually spend $5,000 to $10,000 and get an appraisal done, Raja? In your opinion?
So, very good question. So they go to some local brokers or local banks
Ah,
where they say, because I tell you one thing with the banks, I know I've been in this industry for a long time. The
right.
banks, they don't say no. That's a problem. They don't have that word in the dictionary because whenever they receive a file, even if they know it's not doable, they say
Right.
we're gonna send it to our credit center, our credit, the manager. And they will say, no, not me as a banker.
Right.
Because the banker will send the file to the credit department and the
Right.
manager, and they review it. They say no. But before that, they say what they want to see the appraisal. Sometimes, most of the times, the deals come with the appraisal. So this is
That is
the challenging thing. And we never ask for the appraisal
right.
upfront.
Right.
If they have it, good. If they don't have it, we want to see what was the purchase price and how much money did you spend in the last few years. And
Mm.
now we can see the value maybe based on the NOI. Value is much higher. Then we order the appraisal.
Thank you for sharing that. That's sad. That's sad, and I'm glad. Of course, that's why you're so successful and so busy. You operate differently. That why would you again? Just to add on to my story earlier, right? You wasted the borrower's time, prospective borrower's time, and his money too. If you've ordered
Yes.
an appraisal, and this poor guy is so happy. My 10 million property has an appraisal of 20 million, and the
Yeah. And
appraisal
and
is
one more thing is happening a lot, which we're gonna telecast this interview so people can hear it. A lot of like fake brokers or fake lenders out there, they don't say no to you.
mm,
Whatever deal you bring to them, they say, yeah, we'll do it. This is the term sheet, and they issue the term sheet, and they ask for due diligence deposit,
right.
due diligence fee of sometimes I have seen 100,000,
Mhm,
$200,000,
mhm.
50,000, 20,000, and it offer is conditional based on many things. So once they receive the money, then they have 101 reason to say no, we can't do this deal because of this environmental issue, appraisal issue, tax issue, and so many other issues. So they just forfeit your money. They don't give your money back. So that's a very big problem in our industry. So
I know,
I'm
I
gonna
know you
waste
reached
more
out to
time.
me. What I would suggest is, Raja, keep doing the good work you're doing, but do these kind of small informational videos and spread the news because that is wrong. That is unethical. And
Yeah.
if I may say, it should be illegal, right? I mean, because
Yes.
people are desperate to refinance for a bunch of reasons. One, if these folks, these I'll call them scammers, if they are also, and I know what a term sheet is, but would you also explain just for the sake of people who don't know what a term sheet is so that they will know? But what I wanted to just quickly add here is uh, because they're lured into a false assurance, a lot of these folks will fork out the money because they are all excited that from 9% I'm going down to a 6. So
Mhm.
I'm okay spending the non-refundable deposit. I'm okay getting the appraisal done so that my monthly mortgage goes down for the next loan.
Mhm.
So that is scary, but glad you shared it. I think you are doing a great job of spreading this word around.